I'm so sorry. I totally accidentally ended the live, and I can't believe I did that because I even had a second to cancel it, and I was like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Okay, so I'm gonna let everybody get back on. Somebody asked if you need a heat press with this HTV. You do not. You can actually use an iron. So you are gonna want, hey guys, hey Kendra, I'm gonna wait for everybody to get back on. I'm so sorry. I accidentally, my thumb hit it, and I was on a roll too because I was almost done. But don't worry, we're gonna wait till everybody gets back on so nobody misses anything. Anyway, somebody asked if you needed a heat press. You can use a hard surface and an iron and a lot of muscle. And I don't even think it takes a lot of, maybe just a lot of muscle. And you'll be able to get that same effect as a heat press. Heat presses do make all of our lives easier. And I think every time that one of us, hey Becky, I think that any time that the first time that we use a heat press, we go, oh my gosh, it makes life so much easier. So if you don't have a heat press, it's okay, but it does make life a lot easier. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry I ended the live. Okay, here we go. Oh, do I have energy, Brenda? I'm feeling a little underwhelming right now. Is that a word, underwhelming? But it's probably because I'm still in my sweats that you guys just can't see because they match my shirt. My feathery gray shirt is what I call it. And that's probably why I'm like, I needed my energy. It's Monday morning. It's a good Monday. I don't know why, but I'm glad you think I have energy. All right. Okay, so Stephanie says it doesn't take a lot of muscle, just need to know how to do it. Yeah, the pressure's good. The pressure is definitely important, but you don't need a lot of muscle, so says Stephanie. So that's great. Okay, thank you, Brenda. All right, so I'm hoping we have everybody back on at least, well, about half of you that were on. Hopefully everybody will...
April Payne's getting the idea. So this would be great craft night for friends and moms. Super cute.
Yes, see, April, that's exactly right. You have the idea. This is a great idea. That's what we want to do. We want to give you all the tools you need so you can get together with your friends and you guys can be crafting together. Or you can craft with us whenever we do our craft nights or craft mornings or whatever. But you guys are going to have all the supplies you need. And we're doing this kind of preliminary because I want you guys to see how it's going to be. Hopefully I won't be ending lives early whenever we do our lives, but I'll just always hop back on so you guys know that no matter what. Okay, I'm glad you like the design, Jerry. Let's get finished with this bad boy. Okay, so I'm going to use a Teflon this time because I see little pieces of my glitter HTV poking out from behind this carrier sheet. So I am going to make sure I use my Teflon. And I am not going to hit the finish button again. No. Okay, here we go. I know that I want you guys to see it really well. Okay. Okay, here we go. I do say okay a lot. I'm going to work on that.
April wants to know if there's just enough to make one shirt in the boxes.
No, April, there actually is going to be, you're going to be able to make many projects with the box. It's not just one shirt. You're going to be able to make many projects and choose whatever color shirt you want or whatever blank you want. Okay, so I'm going to give it the full press this time because that fashion film needed the full press. So even though we did the tack with the glitter earlier, we still needed to press that fashion film the full time. Now I'm going to pull back. It's a hot peel. Oop, did I see it pick up? Guess not. It's a hot peel. So, oh, it's so pretty. Okay, again, these are the colors I use for this. You can recreate this without the box, but you're getting a really good value if you do get the box, okay? So it's in the SparkleBerry box, both of these colors. This is, I know, isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
This is Mandy's palette. Now I get to turn back over here without hitting finish. This is Mandy's palette, and then the color that I used is matte mint blue fashion film. Both of these are in the box. Again, it's a super great color. Now, Lauren, don't be talking about my my grown out nails, okay? She likes to make comments about that, but they're not too bad. It does look good. You guys chose really well with the navy. And I want to bring, that brings up a great point, Kelly, because sometimes we want to pick colors to put, like we want to pick the cup color that matches the pattern. That is not necessary. You actually want to pick a color that it's going to pop on. And so that's why I went for a color that wasn't in this pattern. We didn't have navy in this pattern or gray. But if you put them on those two colors, they're going to pop so well. And don't worry about being all matchy-matchy. That's what's cool and unique about making your own apparel, is because you don't have to be matchy-matchy, and I really like it. Now I get to wear Be Inspired again tomorrow. I'm so excited. So this is it with this is Wash Petals and Electric Cotton Candy, and this is with Mandy's palette, and I'll bring you guys closer. Mandy's palette and matte mint blue. So look how different the design is whenever you have a different pattern. I know it's backwards, but it says be inspired. That was a great suggestion for the navy. I'm glad we went with navy. Y'all are so smart. So smart. Okay, so I have another surprise for you. I'm going to show you the mystery pack, which I will be honest, we haven't sent any mystery packs out yet because Thursday orders are going out today. So Thursday, a new mystery pack started, and I didn't put the finishing touches on the mystery pack because I was waiting to hear back from Stacy, because we have yet a new Stacy's watercolor that's going in it. It is not going to be listed yet. The only way you're going to get it is in the mystery pack. I really don't do this stuff on purpose, I promise, guys. But just to let you know, if you want the new Stacy's watercolor, which is, by the way, phenomenal, it's going to be in adhesive and HTV in the mystery pack. So this is not the box, this is the mystery pack. So this is, you can get an adhesive only, or you can get the adhesive and HTV combo, and you get both of these. Stacy has, I'll have to post some stuff later that Stacy cut from this. It is insanely gorgeous. So she was kind enough to let us list this. I'm so excited. So now it can be a SparkleBerry pattern too. So this is in the mystery pack. We also have this really, really cute one. It's called Dizzy Dye. It's gorgeous. And it's gonna cut, I haven't cut it yet. I'm really excited to cut it. Oh no, HTV is gonna be Prickles. We're gonna put Prickles back in this one, which is a classic, but there's a free file that Melissa from Silhouette Studio just posted that says free hugs. And I think that we really need to post this again so that you guys can make that free hugs shirt for a great value. So Prickles is gonna be in the HTV, is in HTV as well as adhesive in the mystery pack. And then there's another one. I'll let you guys have a little peek. There you go. You have the mystery pack, and that is until not this Thursday, but the next Thursday or the next Wednesday. So you have a week and 2 days left on that mystery pack if you want to get that. I know there are so many things, but it's going to be exciting because we're going to be crafting with that stuff too. Yes.
Someone wants to know what the difference is between the pack and the box.
That's a great question. So somebody wants to know the difference between the pack and the box. So with the mystery pack, that changes every 2 weeks, and it's a set kind of, you get 2 sheets of adhesive, or 4 sheets of adhesive and two sheets of HTV. You get the mask that you need for the HTV, but it's not that mystery pack is kind of the thing that we've done forever, and now we move to the SparkleBerry box because it's going to give you more, and you're also getting all of the supplies you need to craft with, and we're going to be doing a ton of our lives out of the box, as well as we're really wanting you guys to get together with each other, and it's about community. Like the SparkleBerry box is about community. You can do the same thing with the mystery pack. It's just the SparkleBerry box, I'm excited because it's going to be in this cool SparkleBerry box. Everything's going to be shipping flat for the most part. The glitter we're going to be, and this also, the SparkleBerry box has pattern HTV glitter. The mystery pack does not. This has 2 full-size sheets of the SparkleBerry HTV glitter, which you don't want to miss out on. It's adorable, and this is also about a 20% discount. So, and this is a recurring ordering situation, and the mystery pack is not. So, what other questions do we have?
That's about it.
How much is the mystery pack? Rose, it is $29.99 for the HTV combo, and I can't remember the adhesive. I know I should, but you put me on the spot. The adhesive, I think, is $12.99, and with those, you also get, and with both of those mystery packs, you get a sheet of glitter laminate. So that always comes with a 12 by 12 of glitter laminate. So.
Will you do just clarify what they get in the adhesive combo versus the box? That way.
Okay.
Because they're getting confused on which is which.
Okay, so mystery pack, guys, is the same mystery pack that we've had this whole time. So if you get on and you search mystery pack, you're going to see, it's going to tell you what you get in it aside from the patterns, because the patterns change every 2 weeks. The SparkleBerry box is a monthly reoccurring box that you can get every month, and it is $39.95 for the box. It's a 20% discount. Let's see, the one that has the pattern HTV glitter is the SparkleBerry box. So I will just say that the premium product right now is going to be the SparkleBerry box. That's going to be our main focus for right now. It's all about building community for us crafting together and that sort of thing. I still still love the mystery pack. I still do. The mystery pack is where we roll out a lot of new prints sometimes. It's just going to be more variable, and I get more excited about some mystery packs than others. This one's going to be really great. I'm really excited to see what you guys do with Stacy's watercolor, the new Stacy's watercolor. So, and I don't know what we're going to call it yet. I'm not sure. So, I hope I answered all. Yes, thank you, Lauren. Very good. You're amazing. And then both of those, the mystery pack comes with glitter laminate. And I'm pretty sure I'm putting glitter laminate in the SparkleBerry box as well, because I always have to have glitter. Yes, I am. I always have to have glitter laminate in every adhesive project I do now, because it protects it, it makes it glittery, and who doesn't love glitter? So, all right. So this is what we did today. The file will be up today so that you guys have it. It'll be under the Be Inspired Lotus Flower file. And Mandy's palette is already listed. The SparkleBerry box is already listed. Limited quantities though, guys. So get on if you want it. You only have a couple of more days, and there are a limited supply of what we're doing for the April boxes. So can't wait to see you guys the next time we do our next SparkleBerry box project together. And love you bunches. Have a happy week. Bye.